As a government, we recognise that the restrictions imposed a week ago based on public health advice on people in Kildare, Laois and Offaly are having a serious impact on the day-to-day lives of people, but also an impact on local businesses and on the local economy. That is why we are bringing forward today a set of measures that are designed to be of some assistance. We are providing a 20% increase in the Business Restart Grant Plus, which in essence means that qualifying firms can now get a grant in these three counties under this scheme of between €4,800 and a maximum of €30,000. In addition, we are providing an extra €1 million to the local enterprise offices in these three counties, who will work with the local chambers of commerce and other representative bodies to ensure that there is full awareness of the various enterprise support schemes that are available in these counties. We are giving Fáil Ireland an extra €1 million to undertake a major promotion campaign to try to drive footfall into these three counties and to promote the tourism brands there once the restrictions have been lifted. We are going to ring-fence dedicated funding from the Sustaining Enterprise Fund for businesses within these three counties so that they can achieve the maximum benefit and take full advantage of that important scheme through Enterprise Ireland and the local enterprise offices. We will have a dedicated helpline number available for businesses in these three counties to assist and guide them in accessing and getting the full benefit from the different announcements that we are making today. We recognise that the last week has been difficult for the people in these three counties, and the remaining period of these restrictions will be too. But the government will stand with them and will support the people and the local economy and local businesses as they seek to rebuild and recover from this period. I want to thank all of those who have engaged with us over what has been a difficult week in the three counties, to our own public representatives who have been very forceful in representing the interests and the views of local people and local businesses, to the chambers of commerce and to other stakeholders and business groups in particular, and those who have been advocating for the local economies across the three counties. Thank you so much.